We're going to stick weld today with the HTP MTS 210. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the machine here. And over here on the left side, I can select stick, TIG, MIG 2T, MIG 4T, or stitch welding, okay? So it's just a click of a button to go through, sticks right up there at the top. You can see my amperage is set to about 90 amps. I can hit the settings button here. We have hot start and arc force. Absolutely smooth arc on this MTS 210. You can see the slag just curling right off. Go ahead and do that again. Today we're wrapping up the HTP MTS 210. We went through the machine, all the settings, but really how I want to wrap this up is by starting with the overall machine itself. It's got a solid metal casing around it. It's built well. You can run stick, TIG, MIG all on this machine. It's got a lot of settings on the interface here, so you can tweak your settings to get the perfect arc for each of the processes. You can TIG weld with this machine. It's got a 14-pin connector here for a remote start. You can do lift or scratch start as well. It is restricted to DC TIG welding only, so you can't weld on AC aluminum or magnesium with this machine. That's one minor drawback, but overall, I mean, you can weld the majority of the metals that are being welded out there. As for stick, was able to run some 7018s with this machine. One little restriction was the whip pause, which actually happens on some of your smaller machines. It doesn't matter who the manufacturer is. Whipping it, sometimes the arc wants to go out, but you can still drag these rods, no problem. 7018s, they were just peeling right off. So overall, great with the stick. Overall, just a great machine. Really simple to use with the interface. Definitely giving this machine 2 thumbs up.